now. Okay. What a lovely day at the beach. Hey, explorers! What are my friends up to today? Oh, hi, 21. Say, what have you been up to today? I think we have to figure out some new numbers. Oh, sorry, but I have to leave. Bye. Hello, everyone. We're the Haves. You don't exist yet, huh? You can't delete us since we don't exist. 0.5 plus 1. Hey, 1. Hey, 2. I got a magic mirror. Okay. Let's copy 100. 100. Can you copy yourself? Yeah, sure. What? I'm gonna copy myself too. What? Now what to do? What to do? Clan 100 guinea. What? 100 plus 100 plus 21 equals. What's up, guys? It's your boy 121, or as I like to call it, square. Hold on off. Whee! Whoop. 4. But you don't look very square-like. 121. Don't worry, I'll get into my square form. I'm 11 by 11. Yeah. Let me copy me 2 times. Yeah, which is my command. Ding, ding. Oh, wait, no, actually 3 times. Yay. Let's just randomly copy myself. And I don't exist. I'm back. Yay! Hey, time to copy 21. Ooh, I want to use magic mirror. No, wait, Huff, don't do that. I tried to warn him. What? I am 1.5. See? It will create you and add 1 more. I'm just no clip for the blocks in the mirror. And a chair. Wait, the chair is not a part. Oh, I equal you. Okay, time to call myself. Wow. I am 20 and I love to dance. Plenty of moves to my name. Wait, did I kill 1? Hold on, let me just magically copy myself 2 times. Boom, boom. Yep, yep. I'm 40. And just make a copy of myself and make a 4. Wow. And 16's here. Yeah! Well, great. So many people are going to the beach already, and weird things are happening already. Yes, I said that. I've gone back. Wait, never mind. I'm going away. Wait, never mind. I'm going away. No! What shall I do to copy myself? Oh, I know. Boo. Boo. Wait, what was... Oh, no! I'm 144. Oh my goodness. Have these back on. Wait, what? Oh, nothing happened. So I'm to rocket off. Do. Guys, if Tin lands on that umbrella, he's gonna kill us all and explode. Everyone, hop on me quick. Okay. Now let's go. Go up. Hey, isn't gravity turned back on? Yeah. Oh no! That means we're falling down! Ah, no! Ah, no! No! Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this, all of the waste that devoted. This is 144, by the way. And you can see all the damage that 10 caused. My goodness. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Bye!